mixologist. I'm Jason Catalano, and on this channel we like to make mixed drinks on a budget. For today's episode, we'll be going over the Jolly Roger. Alright, so an overview of the Jolly Roger. This cocktail is a really basic 3-ingredient cocktail. Really like the fact that 3 basic ingredients you can find at any Total Wine, any Bevmo, really any type of liquor store. It's going to be 1.5 ounces of lemon juice, 1.25 ounces of a banana liqueur, banana schnapps if you have to, and 1.25 ounces of a Jamaican Dark Rum. So for this particular specs, the reason why I really like, just as an overview, the reason I really like this particular cocktail is it kind of gets a little bit of that souring elements with banana and the Jamaican rum, which plays together very, very nicely. I think it's not too sour like a whiskey sour or something, but it, the flavor combinations come together really, really well. And once again, I'm using store-bought lemon juice. You can do fresh if you want. This lasts a long time. Banana liqueur. Once again, I use Dillard, French name. It's a French banana cream liqueur. Pretty good. It's an imitation, so it will be a little bit artificial tasting, but not a whole lot of banana liqueurs out there. And then Navy Bay rum is just a really good budget find, about $15 for 750 milliliters. And it's pretty good on the molasses. Not the best, but it's definitely a good budget buy. All right, so let's go ahead and let's make the cocktail. So first, we're going to start off with our lemon juice. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of it. And the lemon juice is going to provide a lot of the souring agent to counteract the sweetness of the banana liqueur, as well as a little bit of rum. So 1.5 ounces. Next, we're going to be doing the banana liqueur. That's going to be 1.25 ounces. So like I said, for this particular one of Drilled, what I like about it is it's pretty good banana liqueur. I think that it's not quite as creamy. It's kind of like Banana Foster's a little bit. It's a little bit of sweetness, not too much. Not a pure banana, but definitely in terms of what you can get, it's really good. You're going to get definitely a good banana on the nose on this. Next, Jamaican rum, 1.25 ounces. So what I like about the Jamaican rum is it's pretty straightforward dark rum, nothing really too funky about it. But what I honestly really like about it is it's a good budget buy. Sometimes with the rums it can get a little expensive. This one, the Navy Bay, like I said, $15. Pretty good find. It definitely goes well with a lot of cocktails. It doesn't overpower, but it's not too weak. So with that, go ahead and put everything into our shaker. We're going to shake for at minimum 12 seconds to 30 seconds, depending how much you want to leave it. So let's give it a shake. Okay, we're going to double strain, get out all the ice shards. Garnish with a nice lemon. You can do banana, something of that sort. I like just a simple lemon. You get the yellow. Pretty decent amount of lemons. Pretty good fan. So with that, we have the Jolly Roger. Give it a taste. So right off the nose, yeah, dark rum, banana coming through. So first taste, very interesting. It's you can tell it's a 3-ingredient cocktail, not too much complexity with this one. The lemon juice, the original recipe on this actually had 2 ounces of lemon juice, but kicking that down to 1.5 really plays well. The banana, and particularly the dark rum, comes through much better. yeah, once again, you're really getting that combo with the dark rum and banana. Those definitely shine better when you kick down the lemon juice. The dark rum kind of gives you that nice molasses type of burnt sugar coming with a little bit of that banana coming through, especially at the end. Banana's liqueur can be a little bit delicate. Personally, it's a liqueur, it's a little bit delicate, but for this particular one, I would definitely give this a grade of, gotta love physics. So I would definitely give this one a grade of probably about a 78 and a half. Good solid C+. I could definitely see this being a good summer drink. I could definitely see this being, having a cheeseburger, having some wings, watching a game. Very mellow, very chill. The lemon juice gives it a little bit of pop, but not too much to where you don't get the other flavors. Simple, easy to make. That's kind of the way I look at this. Is it's more like a really good summer, pretty good spring. Wouldn't necessarily say though that this is something that I would be craving, just because it's so mellow with the flavors. But it's solid. I mean, it's definitely something that if I only had a few ingredients, I would definitely whip this up. For some variations on this, I would definitely say adding even just like a dash of like cherry brandy could be interesting. Adding in maybe a little bit more of the banana liqueur. Simple syrup, I probably wouldn't, just because I kind of like the lemon juice kind of bringing some of that tartness. But those be some very basic variations I would think just off the bat. So with that, it's a Jolly Roger. And with that, cheers.